Long, long ago, the Tuatha Dé Danann were a mythical race of people in Ireland. They ruled the land with their magic, wisdom and strength. They were a race of gods and heroes, descendants of the great goddess Danu herself. They came to Ireland in a mist, through the air and the high air to Ireland. And when the Milesians, the ancestors of the Gaels, later arrived on Ireland's shores, a fierce battle ensued, and the truce was agreed, overseen by the Druid, Undri, a poet, Amergan. And the agreement was that the Milesians would take the land above the ground, and the Tuatha Dé Danann would retreat beneath the earth and into the Sí, the hollow hills, the ancient mounds and hidden places of Ireland. There they built a new unseen world, the Gaelic Otherworld, rich with beauty, mystery and magic. Join me in my newest online course series, Bridge to an Unseen Shore, the Bean Feasa, wise woman and mediator of the Gaelic Otherworld, Trauma and Meaning Making, a 4-hour online gathering taking place Sunday, February 1st, Bridget's feast day at Imbalances. This series is an immersion into ancestral deep time and the numinous, interweaving insights from Jungian depth psychology and psychotherapy, as well as myth, story, folklore, poetry, and Irish heritage, to support your exploration of the hidden terrain of the psyche on your own journey of individuation and personal discovery.